All the students have email addresses now and will have access in one way or another to Office 365, which we've had access to for quite a while. So whenever you go for your mail, you will find all of these other apps that sit around waiting for you to use. Obviously, the mail is where you get the school email from. Every student now has an email address, so you should be able to contact them. They should be able to contact you. OneDrive is where we're going to store our files and folders in the cloud. It's quite useful. Then we've got the basic Microsoft Office products with Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and I shall be dealing with those a little bit later on because we can now share our documents with the students, but we have to be very careful because if we share, let's say, a PowerPoint with a student, they could have the ability to amend and destroy the original. So before we go into that, we need to look very carefully at how we share. OneNote. Okay, so this is a notebook where you can keep your work, and the students can also have their own notebooks. But basically, we shall only use this for administration and possibly offline, but I'll come to that later. This is the important one, the class notebook, that I shall discuss very shortly. Sway, SharePoint, Teams and Forms, for the time being, we shall just gloss over. Forms may be useful for setting small quizzes. Teams and SharePoint will be useful if you're going to do some collaborative work with the kids in school. So that's a brief overview of all the apps that we've got. In the next video, I shall take a look at Class Notebook and try to explain how to set one up and why it's there. I am in no way an expert in Office 365 or how it works. There are plenty of online videos to help you and online forums to help you, but I find them very unhelpful and very technical, as with most of Microsoft Office products. So I'm going to try to look at Office 365 and put it in the language of Forest High School.